Hey there, welcome to the Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing great. In this video you will get to know change ProtonMail passwords. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. At very first you have to go to the web browser and type proton.me in the search bar and hit enter. After which click on sign in button at the top right corner of the website. Now fill your email and password and hit sign in again. Now click on go to settings. Click on account and password. And then click change password. Enter your old password and click on authenticate. Enter your new password in the new password and confirm new password fields and click save. I hope you guys liked this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.